In this video, I'll show you how you can fix stuttering and improve your FPS in Minecraft. Now first what you want to do is head over to settings, video settings, make sure graphics is on fast, smooth lighting is off, clouds off, particles decreased, entity shadows off. Now once you've done this, what you can do is come down up here, make sure your resolution is on your PC resolution. This is my standard resolution with my hertz. After that, what you want to do is find render distance, and this one can really help if you have lag issues. Now if you have it pretty high, like 30 or something, just turn it down and see if it helps a lot. Now just play around with this until you find something that works for you. After that, what you can do is, this doesn't really matter much, I just have it on unlimited because it doesn't really matter too much. But if you're experiencing like FPS jumps, like it goes from 100 to 200 to 100 to 200, just put a max frame rate somewhere in between that one. Now after that, you can close down Minecraft, and what you want to do is come down here and search for device manager. Open it up, go to display adapters, right click and update the driver. Now once you updated the driver, you want to search for Windows Update and take a Windows Update. Now if you don't have any, it's fine, just move on to this one. Search for Game Mode, open up Game Mode, make sure Game Mode is on, make sure Game Bar is off. After that, you want to right click on your desktop, Display Settings, scroll down and find Advanced Display Settings, and make sure you choose the highest refresh rate for your monitor. After that, you can go back once and go to graphic settings. In here, make sure you turn on hardware accelerated GPU. And once you've done that, head over to the task manager. In here, you want to look for anything that uses way too much CPU, memory, or GPU. Now in this case, this one is my Minecraft. But as you can see, my Google Chrome uses almost as much memory as my Minecraft. So in this case, I would close it down by end task, CapCut as well. This is my mail, I would turn that as well. Chrome, I would just end all of these. Now you can sort by the GPU and memory up here just by clicking on them. So once you close down everything that uses too much that you don't need, what you want to do is head over to details, sort by the name, click anywhere and press M for Minecraft. Then you want to find the one using the most memory, which is this one. Right click on it, set priority and choose high. Now after that, what you can do is come down here and search for power management, edit the power plan, power options, and choose high performance. Give your PC a restart and try and launch Minecraft, and it should hopefully be much better now. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.